Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to make world border in Minecraft. So let's get started. First, make sure you are in creative mode. Give yourself command block using this command. Also get a lever from this inventory to activate the command block. Place two command blocks like this. On the first one, type world border space center space your location coordinates. You can press F3 to find out your current coordinates. Then click done. On the second one, type world border space set space the distance of your block from the center you want the border to be and how long it will take for it to take effect. Then click on done. Put levers on the command block and activate them. As you can see, the world border has shrunk. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.